Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Holidays are right around the corner. So for today's video, I thought I would give you some great last minute gift ideas for the women in your life. These are things that any beauty girl would love. I will link in the description box below where the products can be purchased. So if you'd like some great ideas for the women in your life, then just keep watching. A wonderful gift for anyone any age is a pure silk pillowcase. These have become so popular. In fact, they are sold out all the time. So they call these like the anti-aging pillowcase because when you're sleeping is actually when a lot of people end up getting wrinkles because you cram your face into the pillow. Cheap material in pillowcases can soak up all the oils in your skin. It can dry out your hair. So these were created so you can sleep, your face won't crease, and your hair will stay soft. They have expanded this line so they now have eye masks, hair scrunchies, and headbands. My next gift is a great idea for any girl you know that's always getting their brows done. Anyone that knows anything about eyebrows knows that Anastasia is the leader in eyebrows. And this is just the cutest eyebrow kit. This one is in the shade Blonde. And it's a brow kit. And I don't know a woman that wouldn't love this. So it comes with tweezers, this really good brush. I have the big version of this one in my makeup kit. It comes with these little stencils that you can sketch out exactly how you want your eyebrows shaped, and some brow powder. So all of it together in this cute little kit that you can just keep with you and stick it in your purse and you will always have it with you. This is just the cutest idea, and this is a gift that every girl would love. My next gift idea, this is great for the teenage girls and more of like your fashion kind of trendy girls. These are the Kylie lip kit. These are so popular. You can find them now at Ulta. And pretty much all of the colors they're all really versatile. This one right here comes with a lip liner. This is why they call it the lip kit. It comes with a lip liner, the lipstick. So this is girls love these. Love, love, love. If you know someone really is a little more into makeup, this is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is just such a perfect collection that I think pretty much any girl would love. And the colors are so versatile, I think they would work well on any skin tone or hair color. So for my next one, there's a reason why fragrance is so popular during the holidays, because it's such a luxury item, and what girl doesn't love fragrance, and it's such a treat. So this is Flower Bomb. It's been one of the best-selling fragrances for probably, I would think maybe like 8 years, 8 to 10 years. Every time I wear it, I get so many compliments on it. And so if you're looking for a really special fragrance for your lady, I would suggest Flower Bomb. So that about wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed my video and are having a wonderful holiday season. Please don't forget, the most important thing is that you subscribe to my channel and let me know what you'd like me to do a video on in the future. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, I will see you all right back here on my channel.